Want to know what to do with all those garden cucumbers? I'm Tess, and today I'm making a quick, easy, and refreshing Thai cucumber salad. Stay tuned. This is a spicy and refreshing cucumber salad that you would find in Thai restaurants. It is so easy and is a great side dish for any meal. I am using an English cucumber that I grated into approximately 2-inch long strips. You can use any grater or mandolin to do this, or you can even cut the pieces julienne yourself. I did not take out the seeds, but if you're using a regular cucumber, you will want to remove them. After I have the cucumber grated, I'm draining in a colander for about 30 minutes, as you don't want the salad to be full of water. In the meantime, I'm going to make the delicious spicy dressing. I have 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, which will add the saltiness, 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm using vegetable oil, a tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for the spicy, and finally the juice of a lime. Give that a good mix and give it a taste for any additional ingredients that you may like. It sounds like a lot of pepper flakes, but it really is not. The heat is well balanced with the salty and sweet. And now it's time to put this Thai cucumber salad together. I have my grated cucumber and I'm adding in a 1/4 cup of thinly sliced red onions, a 1/4 cup of grated carrots, a handful of greens of garden onions, and finally the zest of the lime. The zest adds a nice brightness to this salad. I'm pouring over my dressing and giving that a good mix to incorporate. This is going in the refrigerator for about an hour to chill, and then it will be ready to serve. This spicy Thai cucumber salad is so good and beautiful, I might add. It has a nice balance of flavors, a fresh crunch of vegetables, and a refreshing side dish for any meal. You could also add in some fresh Thai basil, cilantro, or mint. Tonight I'm serving with some oven barbecue chicken and roasted cauliflower. This cucumber salad would be great with a stir fry, fried rice, or even with some spring rolls. I hope you give this Thai cucumber salad a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!